In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on desktop notifications for Gmail on your computer. So we're going to start by heading over to an internet browser and make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Then from the top right hand side, click on this settings icon, and then from here, click on see all settings. Then we're just going to scroll all the way down until you see desktop notifications. And in order to turn on desktop notifications, we have two options here. You can either select new mail notifications on like so, and then go and select the sound effect that you want to use when receiving notifications. Now the second option is you can click on important mail notifications on, and this will only notify you when you receive important mail messages. So basically that will mean when you mark a certain email or contact as important, then you'll only receive notifications for that particular thread or for that particular person. But if you just want to go ahead and enable all notifications, keep it on new mail notifications on. So once you've enabled notifications from here, you'll then need to click on this icon next to the URL and select settings. Then underneath notifications, make sure it's also turned on from here. And then you can just close out of this window like so. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and select save changes. And just like that, you've now turned on Gmail notifications. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.